What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another bike video. My name is Pat. We're at Spitzy's Harley-Davidson on Central Ave up in Albany, New York. Today we have the 2020 limited edition Billiard Blue Road Glide Special. For this model year, they actually did with the Billiard Blue, and they actually went with a red paint scheme too. This is the blue. It's got a Milwaukee 8 114 motor with the black trim. Lower fairing was actually added on. Normally specials come with the chopped engine guard. This one is actually, again, lower fairing add-on. We have the widened floorboards, which is really nice. Stretch bags. And we also have Legend suspension in the rear. And another accessory I'd love to point out is going to be these heated Kahuna grips. These are very popular. Actually coming on all CVO models this model year. And then also, this one has the RDRS, which is your traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, Coring enhanced ABS, things along those lines. It does have the blacked out Prodigy wheels too. Really beautiful bike. Make sure you guys stop in and see this one because it is gorgeous.